So yet another lockdown in the Philippines. Boring. I'm feeling a little bit better today. What? Huh? Oh, that's new. What do you want, medal? So, the shop's full. Got plenty of sweeties. Oh, I'm alright. That's if I was eating sweeties, but I'm having another day on just water. Because my right leg was swollen.
As usual, it's very hot.
It is very hot. And coming downstairs I scratched it and it turned into a hole.
If there's no lockdown, we're in the beach now, right?
Yeah.
We did not enjoy the summer today, right?
Yeah.
Because of this lockdown.
And the hole will not heal. And my right leg's not swollen anymore, but the hole just refuses to heal and it's oozing
Do you know
liquid all the time.
What's the purpose why they put like that? Do you know?
What's the purpose?
What do you think?
It's to dissuade people from coming in.
Yeah. Not only here, right? All of them.
So I'm not even attempting to go out. What's them signs in the window now? And the cars? Are they like passes?
Like a shop, like a service for the foods. Some of them it's service
Yeah.
for all the employees.
So I'm not even attempting to go anywhere. I just stay in the house and probably sit on the live stream. Oh, it's got some liver.
Yeah.
Liver and kidney. Or as I like to call it, snake and pygmy. What's that then, though? Hello.
It's vegetable.
Hello.
It's meat.
Meat. Has it got banana in it somewhere?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. That's got the fish in it, hasn't it? So what we thought we'd do is go onto the back bit and try and talk to somebody.
All the shop there is closed.
And see, well, that's not new. Even the water station's closed down again. It was only open one day, wasn't it? So I don't know what that's about. The kids are making sure my bike's going to be destroyed. Look, this is kids.
As usual.
As usual,
Wherever
yeah.
you put that.
So,
Very hot. Gonna be brown.
yeah, once you're brown. So, this is why I say, unless you've got somewhere to put your car, if you buy a nice car, don't buy a nice car. Just buy something you know you ain't going to be too bothered if it gets damaged. And same with the motorbike. Do you know? Again, I say I love dogs, but that dog just I really dislike a lot.
Oh, maybe some of subscribers. Why men did not
Yeah. No visitors allowed.
Maybe some other are where they're gonna ask why men did not wear mask.
Yeah, why you're not wearing a mask?
It's just only here. If
It's
you go out
outrageous.
Centro, yeah, you should put a mask.
You go to Centro, well, why is other people wearing masks then? Why are they wearing masks and you're not?
Because they've been to Centro.
All right, fair enough.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, go around the back, have a look.
May bayad ka mo 40 eh. Ayaw.
Meron po kayo ng sa barangay baka pwede magbayad.
Ano, bilhin mo.
Di ka homes. Paano?
Di, ano,
Dahil sa barangay. Dahil ang barita baga 2 bulan.
Pero iba.
Ito ako kayo ng ano ng garuya, yung Marso paggaruyan.
Mayo.
Hindi mo nag-reason.
Dahil pwede mo mahilong sa internet ang billing.
Kasi automatic yan, pero mas sa imo.
Ang barita baga. Ang bulan, mayong bayad.
May bayad?
Mayo, libre.
Libre lang?
Sabi niyo.
Sabi,
bayad.
sabi,
Balita sa TV.
meron mo lang dua.
Duwa, libre.
Hindi wow.
March na kaya Abril.
They say that they announced that March, April, it's free.
What's
Free
free?
electric. I don't know if it's true. I did not hear that. Someone's saying.
Free electric? I don't think so.
I don't know if it's true.
No, they'll not do that. They can't do that. Not unless the government's paying the
Because the
electric
only
bill.
thing that I know is extend. I think 30 days. 30 days. 30
No,
days.
it's going to be more than 30 days, man. Look, it's like I say, if the restrictions start to lift, it'll just be certain amount of restrictions to get the economy going again. But like airports and stuff, they're not open very fast.
Because
I don't
normally
think.
I'm just paying the bill over there.
Yeah. Plus they'll follow the American lead. If America opens up, they'll open up. America seems to set the stage.
Oh, it's tomato.
You say tomato,
Tomato.
I say tomato.
Tomato.
Yeah. How about getting a couple of sucks of rice?
Did I say socks? I said socks.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. At no point in your rambling, incoherent response were you even close to anything that could be considered a rational thought.
Socks.
I know, socks.
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 You know what I mean, right?
Joke lang.
Boots. Yeah. Nah.
Do you know what? It just feels like another day.
Hey,
Hey,
how much?
Can I go to the
no, just having a look. Well, yeah, in fact, yeah, we can go up the church, see what's happening on the main road, can't we? So this would be as other days have been because of the. Just let this guy go by. As other days would have been, it would have been great to being able to get to the beach. Especially how I'm feeling now, just relax on the beach.
Yeah.
In fact, the salt water might heal me wound a bit.
They're not allowed to go to the beach.
I know they're not.
There's nothing we can do here, right? Boring.
No, there's nothing we can do. We can't
cannot go
really
out.
do anything for a video. We can only just update you on what's going off, which isn't very much, guys. I was hoping to have a talk to somebody, obviously not me, Mel, and see what they're feeling about the lockdown, just to give you an indication of what people's feeling. But it's hard with Mel because she's shy and she'll not talk to people.
Not shy. Why
Yes,
are
you
you
are.
shy to us?
You're shy. Don't give me that BS. I've just blocked another 2 people, by the way, because they're saying that I talk to you bad. I don't treat you right. I know. They don't know you, do they? Or they know that how I talk to you is nothing.
We are, right?
I know that's how we are.
Other people, they just...
I think what it is it's people that just comes onto the channel that's new to the channel and doesn't know anything about us really. Because people that's been on a long time actually knows who we are and how we are. We can still get a melon, look. In fact, I might get a melon later, Mel. Have you still got that money in your pocket?
30 kilos. Let's go there inside.
Oh.
had 100 here.
You've got what? I've just said, have you got?
Just joking.
Oh, do you know what? I could kill you.
Do it then. 30 per kilo. You just make the small. Make the small. You just pick the small. Because we just only 100.
Oh, ask them to pick one that seems like it's ripe, Elmo.
You want the berry red?
I want it
Very, very
sweet.
red.
Yeah, I want it sweet.
Kapili daw kuya. Yung magayon.
Singgayon mo.
Yeah. Like yours.
Singgayon mo ba?
Yeah.
Gaya mo kalaki? Kasing beauty mo.
Ano lang po mga siguro mga 100 lang kasi dalami 100 lang.
Grabe na pala kilos
They may expect na may ano pa lang din may araw.
May sobra dyan 100
lang.
105 ganyan.
3 in. Yeah. Pinali ni Kuya.
Dahil
Came from
Gano'n sa
Daet.
to dait.
How did they manage to get from diet to here if there's restrictions?
Because the food they allow. If that's food.
Well, this isn't really essential food, is it? Well, I wouldn't have thought so.
Hindi nga na.
I don't know, I guess.
Meron lang kilo. Tayong tapo bagang kilo dyan.
Never mind. Come on.
We can back na lang. We can go back.
Yeah, laters. Yeah.
We can go back na lang.
Oh my God, wala.
There's no 3 kilos there. The lowest is just like 120. So we can walk over there.
Okay, mummy.
Or we can go back again here.
No, we'll go this way. We've already been round there. We might see somebody you can talk to. Ask them how things
Why?
are.
If you interview, they're gonna expect you're gonna give grocery.
They expect what? I'm going to give money.
Yeah. Or like rice or groceries.
Why would they expect that?
Siya foreigner. Oh, yesterday there's from the DSW that they're gonna give money like 5,000 to 8,000.
Yeah.
Someone tell to me when they pass to your house, they said, oh, there's a foreigner living there, so no need. Someone told me about that.
Yeah. You see now, if we'd have gotten 5,000 or 8,000, what would we have done with it? We'd have bought. Yeah, we'd have bought food and given the food away.
Yeah.
So, I don't know.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.